Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT still seems to be moving in this current wave 4 correction. We had a bit of a breakout yesterday above the trend line, but you will remember that I was skeptical about the wave 4 already being finished. Could be, of course, or could have been. I marked it here with a question mark only because the rally was only corrective and really it only touched the 23.6 Fibonacci level. We are in the area where we have to definitely be watching for reversal, but I also shared with you that the ideal target range for the C wave, which hasn't changed, is between $7.88 and $7.23. This is really the ideal target range here. Zooming out, again, just to clarify where we are on this structure or on this chart, of the October lows, okay, we are dealing here with a potential 5-wave move to the upside. Diagonal or impulse, not entirely sure. I think it could turn into an impulse. It would be a 5-wave move in wave 1, 3-wave move in wave 2, 5-wave move in wave 3. We reached targets that are acceptable. The wave 4 now, and then one more high. It has more the look of a diagonal though, so but it doesn't really matter. The difference is you know, as long as we're holding relevant lows and as long as we are respecting the fibs, everything's okay. One more high would be needed though to complete that first 5-wave structure. As soon as we have those 5 waves completed, we should get a 3-wave pullback. Okay, so after 5 waves, we have to be watching for a first deeper pullback in which the entire structure from the lows should be corrected in a counter trend move. This is the trend, this is a counter trend move. Just a correction, just a pullback in an overall uptrend, just a breathing in, breathing out of the market. This will be a larger breather, after which the market then can continue its journey higher. Okay, and therefore this will be an interesting area to position oneself potentially. Here, okay, we are now in a support zone. Breathing in, breathing out, yeah. This is a small breather where we could get one more high afterwards, okay? And minimum expectation for that next high is $10.21, but ideally above $10.82. So that's what I'm watching. And the question is, of course, where does the wave 4 end? And all I can do is to share the entire support zone. So that's defined between $8.16 and $6.81. The 23.6 Fibonacci level there at $8.16. That was already triggered. The price is dancing on it, but it is not generating a buy reaction. It would be a little bit too shallow though also for an ideal wave 4, I would say, even though it's acceptable as a target. Better would be the 38.2 retracement level down there at $7.39, together with the ideal target range for the C wave, because you can, obviously we have the standard support range, which is here. This goes down to $6.81. So, I mean, below $6.81, we have to look for something different. But at the moment, the market is coming back in a corrective fashion. We can, in addition to the normal support zone, add a projection to the chart, which is measured against the A wave. So measuring the A wave, that will typically give us an ideal target for the C wave. And that range is between $7.23 and $7.88. And this is sort of what I'd be watching ideally, you know, for the price to get to. Watch for reactions at these 3 levels, $7.88, $7.62, and $7.23. Whereas also the 38.2 retracement level is in that box, so will be relevant as well at $7.39. And then once we see a first smaller impulse or a significant reaction and the first higher low, then we can talk about, okay, the wave 4 low is likely in. Then we can also specify the target for that 5th wave a little better. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.